Wow, yo. Wow. The world got crazy. So back to the walking sin. Yeah, the guy walking with the leaf blower. Thank you for reminding me of Kadosh Baruch Hu. Yo, 7:15 in the morning? You're gonna come with the landscaping and a leaf? Come on, man. The leaf blower is bigger than the dude that's blowing it, yo. Say amen if you with me right now, yo. Every leaf blower that's too loud should be destroyed. Amen. Say that with me. If you don't like the leaf blower. And if you got mad at what I just said, man, I can guarantee you don't have God in your heart, yo. Guaranteed. Because I already broke it down to you, yo. The leaf blower, put it on low. Put it so that the whole world doesn't have to hear it. Put it that you don't hear it 10 blocks away. No problem. But we all know that the leaf blower disturbs the peace. And what does God love more than anything? Peace. He loves the Torah the most because that's his word teaching you to be great. What does the Torah say? The Torah is peace. You don't get it, yo. And you're going to come with your leaf blower. And the best is how they blow. One guy told you, bro, it was raining. You don't need a leaf blower. It's rain. Let it rain, bro. God made it rain for you to stop making noise. No, he's still going to blow a leaf that's stuck there. He's not going to pick up the leaf. He's going to blow it for 30 minutes. It's not even going anywhere, bro. I remember I was in my crib watching. I was about to come downstairs, pick up the leaf and hand it to him, yo. But I would never do that. Who knows why? Because I don't connect with the wicked, yo. The opposite, I run away. Whatever window I was looking out of, I went somewhere else, yo. I left that room. You understand?